guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video we'll be seeing what's inside an iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, when you look at this phone, you might think there are not much problems with this, just a couple of scratches or whatever they might be. But the real problem is on the front side, and when you turn it around, it's entirely a different picture. So this is how it looks from the front. The display is all gone, it's all ruined, and now we're gonna be opening it up. And I guess it's a lot easy to open it. It's broken completely. So let's open it. So I'll not be doing this all alone. I've got help. So one of these screws are already removed. Now we just need to remove this screw. So let's do that. Okay, so now the screw is removed. Let's open the screen. I even dropped this on the floor, but thankfully I got it back, and it's really small. Okay, so be careful if you're trying this. It's so small I can barely see it. The screws are really small, so there's a high chance that you could just miss it. So here you have it. This is how an iPhone looks from the inside, and I think it looks pretty cool, right? So let me know what you think in the comment section below. So I think the battery is also gone because it's bulged over here. So the battery must have been ruined. So this thing is gone. I mean, completely gone. It's ruined entirely. And look at the screen. That's all for this one. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Until we meet in the next video. Goodbye.